Welcome to Julia Sue's Stamping. If this is your first time here, I'm so glad that you found it. And if you've been here before, then welcome back. Thank you for joining me for a little bit. Today I have a super fun and vibrant thanks card to share with you. Now, today's card that I'm creating is using the Simply Said stamp set, and you can use any stamp set you want to recreate this. I began with this card by using a one-sheet wonder. Have you ever heard of the one-sheet wonder? I'm sure a lot of you have, and if you haven't, it's where you take a 12 by 12 or even a 6 by 6 or maybe even an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper and cut it in specific ways to help use elements of that paper you just cut to create a lot of different cards. And what I did with this one-sheet wonder was create 10 different cards. What I'm going to share with you is one of those cards. So, my name is Julia, and this is Julia Sue's Stamping. I am going to have the tutorial and all the measurements, everything you need to create all 10 of those cards listed on my blog. So if you just go to my website, you'll find that. And everything I have is simply Julia Sue's Stamping. YouTube, Facebook, blog, website, all Julia Sue's Stamping. So just type that in and you'll find it. All right, I think that this card is absolutely perfect for brightening someone's day, and it is so easy to make. So let's just jump right in. And the first thing is a base for me of Mossy Meadow cardstock. A little bit of basic white for the inside. I used to create this card the Flowering Zinnias Designer Series paper. That's just pretty awesome. And a little bit of lemon lime twist. I've also got the Simply Said stamp set, which is what I'm using, and I'm going to be using this thanks here along with Stylish Shapes dies. I'm going to be using this smaller die right here. And the last thing that I'm using are some Neutrals adhesive backed sequins to put a little bit of bling onto my card. And using the bone folder, make it nice and tight, and then I'm going to put this piece of the basic white inside so that I know where it is, it's all done, and it gives you a great space for writing something. I love this Mossy Meadow green color. It's just perfect for any occasion. Nice and rich with the dark green. All right, that gives us a nice clean space to write a fun message to any friend, and it helps add a nice personal touch to any of your cards. The next thing we're going to do is add some Flowering Zinnias Designer Series paper, and I'm going to put this gorgeous designer paper onto the bright lemon lime twist for a fun splash of color. Just adhere it right on top of there. And now we're going to attach that to the card base. And you use whatever adhesive you like. I'm a tape roller user, so I've got the Stampin' Seal Plus here. A lot of people really enjoy using the liquid glue, and that's just fine. All right, so now it's time to stamp the sentiment. And what I did was I already cut out from a piece of scrap paper this cute die. You see those perforations all around the outside there. And then I have the stamp, which is the thanks, and using the Mossy Meadow, the Stylish Shapes give such a nice touch with all their detailed edges. Now, I normally put something under here to give it some give. I don't have that with me at this very moment, so I'm just pressing extra hard, and it looks fantastic. It fits perfectly onto there. Now I'm going to give the card just a little bit of dimension by lifting this up I'm almost out of my dimensionals, so I'm going to just trim a little bit here off of this pack that I have and put the dimensional on the back. Take off the backing and set it right on top. Perfect. And the last thing for this card, do you see how quick and easy it is? We're going to go ahead and put some of these sequins on from the Naturals adhesive pack. So adhesive backed sequins. I'll put one here in the corner. It tends to be where I like to start off. And I think I'll go ahead and put another one right down here. And there we go. It's a bright and cheerful thanks card that's sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. So all these items are listed on my website, my blog. I also did the card in a happy birthday with a different bit of the designer series paper. And here are the other cards that I created with that one sheet wonder. So you can make these yourself if you want to. Just get the tutorial from my website. For a limited time, it is available for free. How fun is that? And I also use the, Simply Zinnia dies on these cards and lots of different stamp sets. Just had some fun with them. Here's another one. How cute are these? Lots of details with some twine. This one is another type of fun fold. It's got a belly band. So that's a really fun birthday card to give to someone. Another fun fold. And then a really pretty sympathy card. So, if you enjoyed this tutorial and you like these cards, please be sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit the follow or subscribe button for more fun card making videos. That was it. How quick and easy is that? Really easy, really quick, and all the dimensions are also on my website and blog. So I hope that you take advantage of having some fun with these and that you have a fantastic day. And most of all, you have a little opportunity to get inky and creative today. Happy crafting.